Hello and welcome to this presentation on the importance of stopping distance. We are from Group 6 and stopping distance is an important topic because it directly relates to your route safety. Stopping distance is the total distance a vehicle travel from the moment a driver perceives a need to stop until the vehicles come to a complete stop. Since you need to react and then brake, it involves two parts, reaction distance and stopping distance. For the reaction distance, it is completely depend on human factors like how fast you drive or did you pay attention when while driving. For the braking distance, they could be caused by environment factor like it is a rainy day, the road material, or it could be caused by vehicle factor like the brake condition and the tire surface condition. So for calculate the stopping distance, we can simply summing out the distance due to the reaction distance and the braking distance.
Okay, so next if we look at the reaction and braking distance from our result from part 1. So the reaction distance we will get, it will be 1.10405 V, and the braking distance will be 0.05872 V square. So reaction distance are directly proportional to the velocity V, and braking distance is directly proportional to V square. And then for total distance or the stopping distance, it will be reaction distance plus with the braking distance. And from our result, we will get this is the graph for the result. The blue symbolizes the exact distance, the stopping distance for the vehicle under the velocity, and then orange color will represent the predicted stopping distance under the velocity. So we'll get that no matter from the prediction or from the exact value, when the velocity increases, the stopping distance also increases.
Next, we'll see some factors that affect stopping distance. The main factors that affect stopping distance is the speed, because the faster the speed of the vehicle, the longer it takes to stop the vehicle. For example, from the data given in our assignment, vehicle traveling at 20 miles per hour will require 42 feet to stop completely, compared to a car traveling at 40 miles per hour requiring 116 feet. So speed is the main factor. Next, we see another factor is the vehicle condition. Brakes and tires of the vehicle are the main contributor to a vehicle's ability to stop quickly. So we must make sure that our brakes and tires are always in optimal condition. Next, driver condition is another factor that affects stopping distance. The fatigue and lack of focus from the driver can increase reaction time, which will lead to more stopping distance. Another thing is when a driver is stressed or emotional, it can lead to reckless driving, and the driver may lose control of the vehicle easily. Another condition that affects stopping distance is the road conditions. Poor road conditions such as damaged, wet roads or uneven surfaces will reduce friction between tire and the road. For example, the coefficient of friction for wet asphalt road is 0.45, which is less than dry asphalt road at 0.6. Another condition that affects stopping distance is environmental conditions. Bad weather like rain and fog can reduce driver visibility and tire friction. Finally, other road users also affect stopping distance. Drivers should account for unexpected actions from other road users and always leave space to prevent accidents.
Now let's look at the importance of stopping distance. So we'll have mainly two. For the first one, it will be drivers can take appropriate measures to mitigate the risk. So after knowing the factors that may cause stopping distance and the basic theory, then drivers will know that they need to maintain appropriate following distance with other vehicles on the road, and they can also take necessary precautions on the road and regularly check on their tire condition, so in order to have more braking distance. And another part will be reduce the risk of collisions and accidents on the road, which is it can actually empower driver to make informed decisions after drivers know the concept of stopping distance. And a shorter stopping distance allows driver to react more effectively to sudden situations. So drivers are suggested to be more focused and less fatigued when they go on the road. So in conclusion, by understanding the knowledge of stopping distance, drivers can be more aware and have more preventive measures to reduce their liability to get into accidents on the road. And this is all from us. Thank you.